Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Autumn Sunset water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. Today I'll be starting with a base of not milky white, and then for the water marble I'll be using Modest Moss, Not Pressed, Stay Grounded, and Brick Wall. I'll be topping the water marble with Scorched Earth, and after I apply my base color I'll be protecting around my nails with liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm going to go ahead and draw up to the top and then down to the bottom. And then I'm going to draw in some chevrons. Once I've got the design drawn in there, I'm going to go ahead and line up my nails. For this one, I'm actually going to be dipping my thumb, and then I'll clear out the excess polish and remove the protection, then move on to the next nail. Once I'm done with all my nails, I'm going to clean up. I'm going to use a Q-tip for any larger areas as well as underneath the nail, and then I'll be going in closely with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. After cleanup, I made sure that any bubbles were pressed as flat as I could make them, and now I'm going to add a layer of scorched earth. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out. These colors are from the Holo Taco Down to Earth bundle, which I did receive as PR, and while the design isn't quite as leafy as I originally thought it was going to be, the colors are still very autumnal, and I think the shimmer adds a little bit of a sunset vibe. I do want to give you guys a bit of flashlight time, and if you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.